forgotten. When she got out the rations with some of the passions, I said, you are a lady. Perhaps she said, I may be. We moved into a basement with thoughts of our engagements. We stayed in by the telly, but though the room was smelly, we spent our time just kissing. The romance went missing, cause love had got us hooked up, and all our time it took up. I got a job with Stanley, he said I'd come in handy. I started me on Monday, so I had a bath on Sunday. I worked 11 hours, bought the girl some flowers. She said she'd see the doctor, and nothing now can stop her. I worked out through the winter, the weather brought some bitter. I put away a tenner, each week to make it better. But when the time was ready, we had to sell the telly. And evenings by the fire, with little kinks inside her. This morning at 4:50, I took her rather nifty into a basement. But 30 minutes later, she gave birth to a daughter. Within a year of walking, she looked just like a mother, if there could be another. Now she's 2 years older, her mother's with a soldier. She lived there without drinking, became a proper stinging. The devil came and took me from Roger Street to Cookie. No more nights by the telly, no more nights nappy smelling. Alone here in the kitchen, I feel there's something missing. I beg for some forgiveness, but think it's not my business. But she won't write a letter, though I always tell her. So it's my assumption I'm really up the junction.